Welcome to Lesson 2 of the Beginner's Grammar course. We learned how certain adjectives work with some prepositions. In this lesson, you will test your knowledge on this topic through a quiz. Before I start, please subscribe to the channel to watch many videos like this and learn and improve your English. Now let's start the quiz. Choose the correct preposition to complete each sentence. Select the option that best fits the meaning of the sentence. Question 1. Sarah is her new puppy. A. Excited at B. Excited with C. Excited about. The correct answer is C. Sarah is excited about her new puppy. Tim is the idea of traveling alone. A. Nervous about B. Nervous of C. Nervous too. The correct answer is A. Tim is nervous about the idea of traveling alone. The children were the magician's tricks. A. Amazed at B. Amazed of C. Amazed with. The correct answer is A. The children were amazed at the magician's tricks. I'm my friend's success. A. Proud about B. Proud of C. Proud to. The correct answer is B. I am proud of my friend's success. The students were the difficult exam. A. Worried at B. Worried about C. Worried with. The correct answer is B. The students were worried about the difficult exam. Emma is the thought of starting a new job. A. Excited about B. Excited with C. Excited for. The correct answer is A. Emma is excited about the thought of starting a new job. Mark is public speaking. A. Afraid of B. Afraid. At C. Afraid with. The correct answer is A. Mark is afraid of public speaking. A. She's her brother's achievement. A. Proud of B. Proud at C. Proud with. The correct answer is A. She's proud of her brother's achievement. The company is its innovative products. A. Famous about B. Famous with C. Famous for. The company is famous for its innovative products. Here's the task of organizing the event. A. Responsible of B. Responsible with C. Responsible for. The correct answer is C. He's responsible for the task of organizing the event. Here is the recap. C. Excited about A. Nervous about A. Amazed at B. Proud of B. Worried about A. Excited about A. Afraid of A. Proud of C. Famous for C, responsible for now you can revisit the LCN one. Link is given in description, and tell me the reason why we use of with proud and famous, and about with worried and excited. Keep learning and keep watching new lessons on our channel. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye and see you